Welcome to Focus on Foods. I'm here at Bosa Foods, exploring the world of olive oil. Let's start with an explanation of what olive oil is. Simply put, it's the liquid fat extracted when whole olives are pressed. Like grapes and wine, the location, climate, soil, and harvest time of the olives dictate the oil's color, aroma, and flavor. In addition to being delicious, olive oil has also been shown to provide health benefits, making it the go-to choice for healthy-minded cooks. Nearly all olive oil is imported, with Spain, Italy, and Greece being the largest producers. There are different variations of olive oil that include extra virgin olive oil, and olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil comes from cold-pressed olives. Other olive oils are blends of both cold-pressed and processed oils. The first thing to consider when choosing an olive oil is how you plan to use it in the kitchen. Extra virgin olive oil is from the first press of olives. It has full-bodied flavor and is best for cold applications like salad dressing, dips, and finishing drizzles. Pure olive oil is milder than extra virgin and more yellow in color. It's great for lower temperature savory cooking and adds flavor and depth to recipes. Pomace olive oil is the mildest in color, taste, and texture, and is best for baking and savory cooking at medium-high temperatures. Olive oil is versatile, delicious, and a staple for cooks all over the world. At Bosa Foods, you'll find all grades and varieties of olive oil, including the Italissima, Preferisco, and Augusto brands. Thanks for watching.